Hi, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to get a cell to do a formula rather than just showing the equation. So every now and then I come across the problem where I will type in a formula and rather than doing the formula, it just shows the formula. Well, that's because this is formatted as text. So we'll go down here to Format Cell. We can see it's text. We want general. And hit OK. And it doesn't change it immediately. But if we go back into the formula and hit Enter, it changes it. And so this whole column is formatted as text. So if we want the whole column formatted as general, we would do Format Cells with the whole column highlighted, go to General, and then we would go back into that cell, and then the next one, when we do the formula, it doesn't show it as text, it'll go as general. So that's how you get Excel to read it as a formula rather than showing what the formula is. Thank you for watching.